Hey guys, welcome back to the Ringer 57 YouTube channel. Doing something a little different today. I am filming me stripping down the head. It's no time lapses, full length, bunch of rambling, kind of a combination of the two styles I've been shooting. So, with that, hope you guys enjoy the video. Like and subscribe if you do. Thank you. Alright guys, so excuse the weird angle and the fact that I want to be lazy and sit here in my chair. Tomorrow's going to be a massive footage day. And today we're starting out with me stripping this head. Forgot I already broke those loose last time. Valve cover already sitting in here. Those are all getting replaced anyway, but first thing we're doing today is we're going to pull the rockers out and the springs that retain them. We're doing this in long form. Normally I do time lapses, but I get old. They get really old. I get sick of watching time lapses of myself. No one else is watching the videos, so I might as well make them long, right? So I got a little bit of memory to look back at. Socket off of there for no freaking reason, whatever. Everything's going to sit out on here, at least close to in order of how it came apart. But tomorrow, work's delayed till 9, so might as well take advantage of that. Get some good footage, huh? Loose. Oh, nice. Easy. So we're pulling all 4 rocker shafts out of this head, which is just a small, ridiculously annoying chore. There's some plates down here. Haven't gotten into that far before, so we're going to see. Easier than I thought. I swear those were a lot harder than last time around. No. Fucking pain in my ass. Cam cap was fighting me there for a second. Alright, here we go. That one. These probably don't matter so much. I'm going to take that cam cap off. As to what order they go back in, but for the sake of it, I'm going to put them back in the same order, damn you, that I took them out. So I'll lay all these out on my shelf in there, and that's where they'll sit until this comes back. These should be finger tight. I also found the dowel that went missing, so that's good news. Very good news. Just like that dowel that just about went. It's been a freaking day, guys. I'm doing a bunch of stupid shit, but why not? I have to lay all these cam caps out anyway, huh? There we go. Alright, so this cam cap goes with these 2 locks. I'll have to pluck them out of here in a minute. 1, 2, 3, do this. That would be my door blowing in the wind. Gotta snowstorm coming in, so this ought to be fun. All of these cam caps, they're known for stripping. They stripped. So every one of these cam caps is time sorted. A to A, B to B, C to C, C to shining C. Dowels, man. Vicious. And I got one of the dowels out with this one. I really just like them little dowels. Kind of a pain in my ass. And no, I'm not paying attention to how these come out because I have the diagram of how they go back in. Last time I tore it apart, I was smart and went and bought the manufacturer Chilton manual for how to strip this entire bike and put it back together. So if I ever do run into something I'm not quite sure about, I should have the answer. And so far that book's done me a lot of good. Best investment I ever made. Ow! Bastard. Well, that one's down in there. We'll get to it. Alright, now the fun part. There is a little bitty pinhole here for me to work with. The best way I know to get it is a really tiny Allen. Hex head, whatever the hell you want to call it. I don't remember how I got these out of here so easy last time. I did get them out really easy the last time, but I couldn't tell you how I got them out of there so easy. I swear I just walked it out with the rocker shafts. Well, let's try this one. Each of these has an oiling hole. These are the cam oilers. And they feed to this bolt hole and to the outer bolt holes, which is what those O-rings are for. Yep, that's exactly how I got them out last time. There's one rocker in spring. Goes between these two caps. Two rockers in springs. It's crazy how they did the oiling on these. It really is. That is really sticking. Way worse than I thought it would. Anyway, go ahead and try and lock this one up. another rocker. Start pulling can caps. Now last time I tore this down, everything in here was red, and there's still red residue because I let an idiot mechanic, a drunk asshat, sorry for the language, but geez, he was an idiot, convinced me that the best oil he could suggest was Amsoil Racing Synthetic, which is a great oil, not for a wet clutch. So that would be the main reason why the clutch needs replaced in this thing. Damn. Whatever. We're halfway there on them shafts. And we'll see. The machine shop may want to do their own things to this too. I'm just trying to reduce my labor a little bit by stripping what I can. You know. The only reason I'm buying a valve spring compressor for a head this small is I want to do some port work, and that's not something I want to pay him to do. He's going to charge a small fortune for that. So that's what we're getting ready to do right now. This is where that missing stuff was. And with all these shafts being numbered and directional, I should probably just go ahead and throw them all in a freaking tote. In fact, I probably will do that. The rocker shafts are all supposed to... Damn, I cut myself again. All supposed to be identical also, so they shouldn't really matter either. Dang. Dang. There's a little bit of wear on that sucker. Now, if you keep in mind, this is the side that had the O-ring that I was questioning if it was leaking. And I'm pretty confident now looking at it, it more than likely was leaking. Now comes the fun part. One that's sticking. Oop. Oop. It thought about it. There, that is sticking. Like stuck to the stinking shaft sticking. I think this one's worn a groove in the shaft now. So we're gonna fight with that for a minute, huh? Yeah, it's got a groove worn in the shaft. That is spectacular. It is not going to let go of that shaft either. Oh, there we go. set of rocker shafts just to ensure this problem is eliminated. And that is also one of the key reasons why I want to put a top end oiler kit in. See how bad that is. Ooh, ouch. I can't feel it with a fingernail. That's strange. It'd be that stuck and I couldn't feel it with a fingernail. There's where I had my screwdriver on. So that should have been riding in here. I mean, I can see a little bit of a bind. I don't know. Nothing that should allow that to bind or stick. And this is a stainless shaft. It's not supposed to wear it. Now, is there a burr on the rocker? That's the next question. Spring-loaded little suckers. Alright, we'll do this the easy way. Get my bolt at the same time. There's no burr on the rocker either. No burr on the oiling port. Aha! We have found the burr. It's in the oiling port. I'm planning to touch those anyway. I'm going to open them up a little bit. So that's not a huge issue either. We've gotten that far. I got spark plugs to pull. I doubt those are upgraded. I can sit here and open the valves with my thumb. So I might as well assume I'm going to have to pay for a set of upgraded valve springs. That blows. Really didn't want to spend that chunk of money, but it is what it is at this point. If I'm going to build it, I'm going to build it right. Build it once, build it right. So, we're going to do a lot more of these talking through well-doing things as we do this build, because there's going to be a lot more of these one day, one short project type videos. This is going to go from here. I'm going to go wash the head, degrease it. So that I can do the port work myself. And we'll go through the port work. Because this is my forte. The fabbing, funky stupidness is not so much my forte. Engine R&D and building is. Let's see how much oil I can dump on myself in less than a minute. Because next we're pulling off these intake ports. Nope, spark plugs. Don't remember if these are small bore or big bore. Obviously big. 11/16 season, something like that. Medium. 11/16. Oh, that one was loose again. Something that will be mentioned 1,000 times is that this head has serious issues on this exact spark plug. There, it's tight. It actually tightened. But for some reason, this spark plug on the right hand side comes out on its own. I'll be ripping down the road, and all of a sudden, I'm riding a freaking sewing machine. And it'll just sit there and drive me up a wall. These plugs aren't that old. And they're kind of filthy. And carbon foul, but that's neither here nor there. They're getting replaced. JR9Bs are like $4 a piece. Or did I run 8s in this? No, I was still running 9s. I was running factory plugs because of how hard I run it. Most of the time with these bandits, if you're not running them hard as hell, they really recommend you step up to a JR8B, which is a step hotter, and they won't carbon foul so bad. In my case, I was concerned about detonation. I got an advancer on there that they're not taking into account when making that suggestion. I'm running it hot, I'm running it hard, at higher RPM than it's ever supposed to be turning. So, yeah, I'm a little more stingy with my plugs. That one looks a lot better. That looks like a brand new plug. So, and this one will too. So I cut it off there, guys. It's pretty much a bunch of me fighting and getting really pissed off with some intakes that never wound up coming off. So until I get tools, that's the end of it. Y'all enjoy your week. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'll try and shorten it up next time.